guys at gumawa ng passport size ID picture. Kung napanood mo tong video na to is nandito ka sa tamang YouTube channel. Kasi ngayon is gagawa tayo ng madalian lang na passport size ID picture. At wag na natin patagalin to guys, kaya let's go! Punta tayo doon sa ating Adobe Photoshop guys. Gagawa muna tayo ng size ng ating pagpiprinta ng passport size ID picture. Size ng A4 na photo paper yung gagawin natin guys muna. Yung size guys is 21, yung width at saka yung height is 29.7. Tapos yung resolution niya is hindi natin babaguhin. Punta tayo doon sa inches, gagawin natin centimeter or cm. Tapos guys, click lang natin yung OK. At bali ito na yung A4 size bond paper natin guys. Bali punta tayo doon ulit sa file, tapos new. Tapos is gagawa naman tayo ng size ng ating yung passport size ng ating ID picture. Bali yung size niya guys is yung width niya is 3.5. Tapos click lang natin yung centimeter into inches. Tapos yung height niya guys is 4.5 at ito na yung magsisilbing passport size ID picture. Bali, punta tayo doon ulit sa file, tapos open, tapos hanapin natin yung picture natin. Bali, ito yung picture natin guys. Wrap lang natin, rectangular shape. Yan guys, kunin lang natin yung picture natin. Tapos lagay natin dito guys. Resize lang muna natin. Ctrl T. Pag mag-resize kayo guys, pagkatapos click nyo yung shift and guys, enter. Tapos punta naman tayo doon ulit sa file. Tapos open. Tapos guys, punta tayo doon sa ating formal attire na gagamitin guys. Formal attire na suit. Tapos click lang natin yung rectangular shape. Yan, hanggang dyan lang guys. Clear via copy. And guys, resize lang natin. Ctrl T ulit. Tapos shift. Tapos tansyahin nyo lang guys yung sa liig nyo. Tapos click nyo yung enter. Tapos yung sobra guys na kagaya nito guys, yung sa damit natin na sobra is erase lang natin. Gamitin natin yung eraser tool. Click natin yung ating photo. Tapos erase lang tayo guys. And guys, kung tatanggalin natin, yan yung result nya. So pagbalik natin na itin dito, okay na yan guys. Tapos guys, yung passport size kasi guys is mayroon siyang name. Kaya lalagyan natin ng name guys. Click muna tayo dito ng parang rectangle na shape. And guys, pagkatapos lagyan natin ng name natin. Kailangan guys, naka-big letter lahat. And guys, type lang natin yung ating name. Tapos resize lang natin guys para mag-fit siya doon sa ating picture. Click natin yung shift ulit guys. At ayan na yung ID picture natin guys. At bali, ito na yung picture natin guys. Drag lang natin. Lagay natin doon sa ating photo paper. Is duplicate layer lang natin. Mayroon siyang extra copy. Yan guys. Skip layer lang natin. At ayan na yung ating passport size ID pic. Bali, ito na siya guys. Yung finished product natin na passport size ID picture. Yan guys. Madami pa dito tayo guys. Ayan yung mga finished product natin na ginawa natin na passport size ID picture. Yan guys. At sana may natutunan kayo guys. At hanggang dito na lang. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakipollow na din guys ng ating TikTok shop, Alfred Tech. At saka yung ating Facebook. At saka Instagram, Alfredo Panes. At huwag niyong kalimutan guys, pakishare ng ating YouTube channel guys para mag-grow naman yung ating YouTube channel. Salamat guys! Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech reviews, tutorials, and tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any future content. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to continue sharing my knowledge and insights with you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.